Hello, good evening to everybody. As a part of the completion of one assignment, here I have taken the Excel sheet provided as assignment 2 blank, in which there are almost around 300 rows, where there is a detail about each representative in each region, and what item he has sold, and what is the unit cost, and what is the total cost the representative has sold. So in order to get the minimum and maximum and total of each sales representative, here I can do this by using a pivot table. Therefore, this is the data which I want to produce the pivot table. So go to insert, from the insert select the pivot table, and automatically the range is totally selected, and I want to have in a new worksheet, and then we select OK. So here we get the skeleton of the pivot table, and thereby here what we can do is I can take each representative. Therefore I drag the representative and in the row, and total I bring it to the sum of the values, and since total is a numerical value, by default I get sum. Therefore I get this Andrew has sold for 66,694. Likewise Thompson has total sales of 38,189. Now if we want to know each representative what is the minimum and maximum sale, then again I take the total, and since it is a numerical value I get sum. So I select the value field setting and I select a minimum, and now this is the minimum sales made by Andrew, this is the minimum sales made by Gil. Likewise in the entire thing I want to find out what is the maximum sale of each representative. Again I drag the total, and by default you get sum. Therefore I select field setting and I want the maximum value. So now we get the entire details of each representative. This means the total out of 10 representatives, Andrew has a minimum sale of 90, maximum sale of 90.50, and a total sale of 66,694. Like this we get the details of all the employees, almost 300 records. We can summarize this in a pivot table. In order to cross check this, you can select this. Yes, you can cross check this, whether let us check whether this data is correct or not. So I go to the data tab, and here let us sort this complete thing by the name Andrew, and here if I select only Andrew alone, then in the status bar I can get the what is the minimum, maximum, and everything. And here in this one in the Andrew, here if I select these things, then I can get the here the sum of so not this unit, this total, the total of Andrew. I get this minimum is equal to 90.99, which is there 90.99, and likewise for Andrew the maximum is 9015. Here the total maximum is 9015, and likewise for Andrew the total sum is 66,694. So here I get that total 66,694. So by this simple drag and drop of the pivot table, we can find the details of each representative, like what is the minimum sale made, maximum sale made, and what is the total sales made by this Andrew. So this is what I have done as a part of assignment in this data max course, in this data analysis course. Hope these things would have given a better understanding for the role of pivot table in a huge data to summarize briefly. Thank you so much.